I brought treats for everybody.
One, two, is this on? This is the thing I got the other day. Yeah, the GoPro. This comes out. So this comes out, yeah, it's tiny.
Oh, it's really handy.
Where is it?
Sorry, it's very well. No, don't show me, I believe you.
Thank you very much. Here.
So look, so that comes out and it's magnetic, but then you kind of get a flip up screen as well. So if there's anything magnetic here, it would fit.
2023, Khalid's trip to Madrid.
Yeah.
By the way, it's his birthday tomorrow. We'll be celebrating.
Going to Miami. Alright, let's catch you on the other side. Boop. Yeah, grab a little seat. You know what? This airport, it feels like a rap video, you know. I'm the P to the I to the DDY. No, you'd rather see me die than see me fly. Boom, luggage has been gotten. Let's see what the dealio is. Get me. Big thing. I wonder if we got a carpet. Or it's just the view.
Okay.
So what is it? What's this? Tell me this is. Yeet! Oh, it's bacon!
Oh. No, I don't think you can.
Looks like we trip. Yeah, I don't think you can, you know.
No, because people might jump out the window, babe. I don't think.
Alright, at least we got a view. Oh, that aircon is needed. I thought we were in a balcony. Yeah. It's good, it's good. You know what I might start doing? Just raiding the fridge, you know.
What, just drinking whatever's there anyway?
Yeah, man, because sometimes it does
You're just thirsty.
yeah, you're thirsty. How do you? Oh yeah, I guess you're supposed to put the key in the door, innit? Like a shower. Okay. You know what? I can't lie. The toilets, yeah, in these hotels look hella basic.
That they do. What side does he from?
So I cracked it. So twist. Look at that. Man is on the strip. I'm gonna hold this so carefully. Cause I don't wanna drop my shit. But I'm out here now. Damn chill. Look at that, you get me? Time lapse is going to be different gravy. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, what I should do is test whether it sticks to the metal frame. Hold up. Oh my god. So basically, it sticks to the frame. So the camera itself sticks to the frame. That is mad. This is wild. Nah. So technically, if I wanted to record, nah, the framing is mad. Yeah, because it's magnetic. Yeah, look at the thing on the, look at the framing. So I don't need more time. I don't need a tripod. Look. So the light coming in.
Oh yeah. Where's this? Oh, I'm going to stop.
Yeah. Even this, even the bottom of this sticks as well. Mad. No. Didn't want to bust up the screen. Yeah. Man's out here in Madrid. Second visit, you get me? Come back to one of my favourite cities because you can just bop around everywhere. You know what I'm saying? This time I'm going to go to the Santiago Bernabeu. You get me? My girl's got some big food and juice lined up. Some spots. Get some tapas. You get me? You get me? Quiero, excuse, perdón. Quiero dos cervezas, por favor. You get me? Man's gonna be doing up Espanol all day, every day. Well, I tried. You see the way I asked my man? I was like, ¿cuál es tu estadio? You get me? A man said, Atlético. You get me? So I'm out here. You know the style. No, I don't know why I'm so gassed. It's probably because this sticks. This is sick. I just wonder what the sound sounds like. And the framing, I can even adjust the framing. Different sunlight. Nah, this is mad. When I booked this room when I first came in, I thought the windows weren't open, but yo, check the shadows. This is mad. Alright, anyway. Off ski. You get me? Going to Toledo too. It's just all popping off, you get me? Birthday season and that. Shit, I ain't even seen my hair yet, to be honest. Let me just do a style check. Unity locks on the buttons. No, I'm gassed. Oh, hello there. Just putting some stuff into the safe car. You know how it goes when you go away. You want everything to be all good and secure. So I've got my medication, got my Accu check, my house keys. Catch you in a bit. They display opening times. Google!
But isn't the other place close by?
Which one?
That Rosie.
Rosie? Where are you? Look, we come to the infamous. You see the sizzling gambas. See the sizzling gambas, and it's closed. It's alright though, we'll be back. Maybe it could be, I don't know, it doesn't look like it's closed down or nothing. Nice to have a seat though.
12 to 11. It's definitely closed.
Ouch, yeah. So where do you want to go?
Shall I see if that Rosie place?
Yeah, let's try that other thing. Yeah,
Or
man.
should we go back to that one on the corner?
No.
That Tapas.
Tapas. Small buses, man. Small buses. I think everyone's probably on the same wave as us.
It does say it's open.
Yeah.
But would you not just prefer small little bites?
All of that to find out we was just at the wrong one. So here it is. Oh, what they're split between two buildings.
I think I'm gonna go to the one.
Which one are you gonna go to?
What one do you wanna? Should we go to the one? They're all part of the same thing, innit?
They're all part of the same thing.
But this one looks a bit more
Yeah, it depends. Where can we get seats?
Yeah, let's get the.
We got Sangrini.
We do. Cheers. So the grilled shrimp. What else are we gonna get?
Grilled shrimp.
I'm gonna get the croquettes.
I don't know what this La Plancha thing is though.
What?
It's the grill. It says hooked octopus.
There, yeah. La plancha. That might just be like a.
A la plancha. Let me check. Hey, translate
La plancha.
Chipirion de Azuelo a la plancha. Translate it from Spanish. Right? Oh, you can't translate into Spanish. I mean, translate that into English. All right. Hey, translate Chipirion de Azuelo a la plancha into Anglais. I might as well just write it out because this is having a madness. Let's see.
Oh, it says that I.
Thank you so much.
It just means from the grill.
Oh, from the I'm getting that.
Griddled. You sipped it? I've been waiting for you all this time.
Of course, mate. Come, let's cheers it up, mate. Cheers it up. Ooh.
Cheers.
That piping.
It
Oh.
actually smells
Oi, oi.
amazing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Gonna get dipped. Gonna get dunked.
You're
Dip,
so
dunk,
ridiculous.
dip, dunk, dip, dip, dunk, 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 dunk.
Oh.
Vale. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, lovely.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Nice, isn't it? You know what? Very rare that you see something online and you try it on in real life and it's nice. Extra bonus points because there's no shells on these goddamn prawns. Oh, cuttlefish.
Is it?
Yeah, look. A squid in it. You gonna go for it? Did you do the lemon yet?
No. I'm gonna try and have a prawn.
For the garlic.
The second
yeah,
prawn
because
is-
unboxing.
Of course you are. Got a ratio. Look, make sure you get some. You saw me. You're like, yes. Make sure you get that. So we got to be careful because do we like cuttlefish?
Squid. This is squid.
Yeah, this is squid, not cuttlefish.
The good thing is, it's not mixing. So I did a lime thing.
Yeah. Shower. So that's it every day.
Nah, this is banging. Big up Casa Del Abuelo. The Abuelo. Take some good shit. Let me. Nice decor.
Tastes nice?
Fresh. This is a good choice.
short.
Out here just taking pictures of art. Nyam to gambas and squid at La Casa Del Abuelo. Oh, just eating, you know, big man. Thank you. But yeah, out here, gonna get some ice cream. Go to the Gelateria for some helado.
¿Me dejas probar el banana split?
Nata. White chocolate.
I might get banana split.
Why did you say banana split? Oh,
Yeah, it's being tasted. I might get banana split. This one.
But look, there's others.
Oh, is it?
There's more, so I've got to see what's down there.
Word. Can I taste the banana split, please? Thank you. There ain't no more on there, but
No todo, no, helado.
I think this is so big. Well, I might get the banana split, but I need to see what else is over here. Oh, they got chocolate orange as well.
Yeah. Hello. Can I try the adult con leche, please?
Thank you. This is banging. Snickers. How much is vanilla and cookie? What do you get?
The cinnamon
You on
ice
camera
cream.
now.
Cinnamon,
Camera now.
cinnamon ice cream and cocoa. Cocoa.
Putting your shades on.
El Negro.
Hey.
Negro.
Yeah, I'm trying to do like time lapses and whatnot, just test it out on this camera. The GoPro, I know how to do it, but with this one I probably need to watch a YouTube video to find out, but I haven't watched the footage back to know Wagwan.
Oh, you want the sauce? Do they have to pay for the sauce?
I don't know. So confusing ordering food in a different language. Madness. So this is how it looks. Oh shit. Just spilled the drink. Yeah. Wiggity, but is what it is. They also do not have any straws. And I had to bag it myself. But certain times it's not about arguing, because tired and I'm hungry. The game is the game. See you in the morning. Peace.